Right guys, welcome to Catapult Carnage. I'm Chris. Today we're doing a bit of off-roading in the pickup. We're looking for some rabbits. Hopefully get a couple, make our way to our bushcraft camp and get them cooked up. Stick with us and enjoy the video. Yes.
Good shot, Chris.
Pro hammer, GZK green, 0.62. Side of the neck. Yes!
Shot.
Fucking yes! What a shot!
Jesus, that was some distance.
$20 meters. There's the two rabbits with my GZK Pro hammer. Right, we're just making our way through the forest now, myself and Paul, back to bushcraft camp. Paul's got our bunnies, and we'll get our fire going and get them on the grill. We've got some seasoning with us this time. I've gone for Cajun, I think. Was it Cajun? Paul's going for barbecue.
Yeah.
Full rabbit each. I think we'll only do one actually, because my ferrets quite like rabbit as well. Right, I'll get back to you when we're down there. I thought we'd record this little bit of me crossing the stream in my trainers, so if I fall you can all get a laugh at me.
Me to record it?
I've got the front camera on.
That's okay.
Oh.
You shouldn't make fun of it. You still have to go up this very slippy, mucky hill. Well done.
Here. And we're at camp. My beautiful shelter. Right, so I'm just going to where I know there's a downed, nice and seasoned, dry, dead willow. You guys have seen me collect firewood from it before. I'm going to harvest it with my Silky 300. have our barbecue seasoned rabbit just straight on top of the embers, getting nicely smoked and grilled. If only you could smell this. The last time I done this, I burnt the hand on myself in the squirrel video.
How?
Just because I tried to pick it up.
Pick it up and set it in.
Go on, lead hands. That one there's a wee bit hotter, is it?
We got it. We got it.
Beautiful.
Oh. Go, Chris.
Thank you. Right, you can have the pack. Same as I got to shoot them.
I can have the pack. I have this one, please.
You took the bigger one.
Is that the big? Do you want the bigger one?
No. Cheers.
Cheers, good.
Because the meat's white.
I like the barbecue.
It'd be no good without it.
You think that?
No.
It's really nice. I've never had rabbit with barbecue. Look at the marble and the fat.
Right guys, we're going to enjoy our meal and then we'll get back to you. Right guys, that's it. Wrap it up for this episode. I took the remainder of that rabbit home and the other full rabbit. I'm going to keep the loins and the front legs to make for a soup for myself later in the week of the first rabbit that we've ate a piece of, and the second rabbit will go to my ferrets. I want to take this opportunity to talk about setups again because I'm asked so often, and I hope this will help some of you guys out. Modern bands, modern thicknesses. 8mm steel, the thicknesses that I recommend is anywhere from 0.5 to 0.65 or 0.66 GZK. So 0.5 of a mil to 0.66 of a mil. 0.66 to 0.8 for 9.5mm steel. And then you want to work with your tapers after that. It depends how much you're stretching it. The stretch ratio I work on is my active length times 5.5. So whatever your active length is when your bands are tied onto your catapult, divide that by 5.5 and you'll get your band. So if you're trying to find your active length, get a tape measure, draw it out like you're drawing out your catapult, hold the tape there, draw the end of the tape to your anchor point, look at what it is, divide that by 5.5, and that'll give you what your band should be when you tie it on to the pouch and attach it to the catapult. So again, 0.5 to 0.66 for 8mm steel, 0.66 to 0.8 for 9.5, and then your tapers are within that. You know, your tapers can be anything you want them to be, you can tailor it any way you want. 8mm steel, some guys think it's no good for hunting. You can see that video there, that was an extremely long range kill on that rabbit, a clean kill, 8mm steel, 20 meters, maybe more, side of the head, he was out, finished. So 8mm steel is more than capable of killing at range. It's shot placement. You shouldn't take the shot unless you can cleanly and efficiently do it. I knew whenever I was taking the shot of that rabbit, I was either hitting his head or missing his head. So look guys, I hope that helps some of you. Bands is a tricky one because it can be overwhelming with the varieties and options we have now, which is fantastic. We have so many options, but if you're getting new into it, it can be a bit daunting. You don't know where to start. So I hope that rough guide helps some of you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, ask me a question below. I'll do my best to answer you, and as always, thanks guys. I'll catch you in the next one.